Hi friends, today's recipe is tandoori idlis, a perfect starter for any party. For this I have taken regular idli batter, the video for which is already up on my channel. You can make mini idlis or even regular size idlis with these. Here I am making mini idlis. Steam it for 4 to 5 minutes. Soft idlis are ready. In a bowl, take 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, salt to taste, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, 1 teaspoon of kasuri methi, besan which I have roasted, 4 tablespoons, fresh curd 3 tablespoons. Mix well to make a smooth paste. Now add the juice of 1 lemon, half a teaspoon of chaat masala, here I put in the mini idlis into the marinade, but I forgot to add the mustard oil in the marinade, so I am adding it now. This is 3 teaspoons of hot mustard oil. Here I am showing you how to cut normal idlis and put it along with the mini idlis. Mix well. Make sure the idlis are coated in the marinade well. To give the mini idlis a very nice smoky tandoori flavor, I have kept a piece of foil in the marinated idlis, and onto that I have kept a piece of burning charcoal. Over that I have put a teaspoon of ghee. Close the bowl in which I have kept the idlis and let it rest for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, open the bowl and discard the charcoal. Heat a teaspoon of oil in a pan and saute the marinated idlis in there. Saute till brown and crisp on either side. It will hardly take you a minute each side. The tandoori idlis are ready. Serve with any chutney of your choice.
I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have, then please give it a big thumbs up. Also comment on and share this video among your friends and family. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then please do so now and do not forget to press the bell icon. Thanks for watching and have a great day.